Bird's nest fern po ang isishare ko sa inyo ngayon. I know that this plant is familiar to you already, but one thing na I know that not all of us know is that ang pagiging edible nito. At yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Hello and welcome, or welcome back to Charina Learns. Before going further, can I ask you to click the subscribe button? Thank you so much. We usually see this plant at home, sa sala, sa porch, sa terrace, o sa garden. Ako personally, I thought of this plant as an ornamental plant only. But recently, I come across an article that tells that this plant is cooked and used as food in other countries. Yes, that's true. At yan ang aalamin natin ngayon. Let's find out what particular bird's nest can be eaten, its benefits, and which country will eat this plant. On the screen, you can see the bird's nest fern. Bird's nest kasi ang common name niya. Tawag niya dito sa atin ay pakpaklawin, Shansuwa sa Taiwan, at Roma langsoyar naman in Malaysia. At ang kanyang scientific name ay Asplenium Nidus. This Asplenium Nidus is cooked and used as food in Taiwan. Yes, in Taiwan. They stir-fry the young and tender leaves. Parang ginawa siyang gisadong gulay at nilagyan ng anchovy. Some Taiwanese just boil the leaves. In Polynesian islands like Tuvalu, tinawag nila itong law katafa, laumea naman in Tokilaw, at Luko in Niue. Itong tatlong Polynesian islands ay sprouts ang niluluto at nilalagyan ng coconut milk. Ang malalaking dahon naman ay ginawa nilang pang-wrap ng pagkain. Ayon sa article na aking nabasa, ito daw ay ginamit ng mga lokal na gamot sa asthma, sores, weakness, at halitosis o bad breath. Uulitin ko po, Asplenium Nidus ang alam kong edible. Kasi may ibang uri ng bird's nest fern tulad ng Asplenium antiquum, Asplenium australasiacum at marami pang iba, ngunit wala akong makuhang impormasyon kung edible ba o hindi. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.